there, science fans! Welcome to an incredible journey into the inside cell world. Ever wondered what makes you, you? What is it that forms the very essence of life? It all starts with teeny tiny things called cells. These are the fundamental units of life. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest animals, and even you and me. They come in all shapes and sizes, each uniquely designed for its role. Now, inside each cell is a whole bustling city of even smaller parts called organelles. Imagine a tiny world within a world. These organelles are like the organs in your body. Each one has a special job to do to keep the cell alive and functioning. For example, mitochondria are the powerhouses providing energy, while the nucleus is the control center, holding the cell's genetic material. Understanding these tiny wonders is super important for understanding how life itself works. Every discovery in cell biology brings us closer to unlocking the mysteries of life. So let's put on our imaginary lab coats and dive in. Get ready to explore the fascinating world inside a cell, where every tiny part plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of life. Imagine the nucleus as the main office or control center of the cell. This is where the cell's DNA hangs out, all coiled up like blueprints in a filing cabinet. DNA contains all the instructions for building and running the cell. The nucleus is surrounded by a special membrane called the nuclear envelope, which protects the DNA and controls what goes in and out. Think of it like the security guard of the cell's headquarters. Just like you need energy to power through your day, cells need energy too. That's where mitochondria come in, the powerhouses of the cell. These bean-shaped organelles are responsible for producing energy through cellular respiration. Think of them as tiny factories converting food molecules into a form of energy called ATP that the cell can use. Without mitochondria, our cells wouldn't have the energy to do anything. Now, let's talk about the cell's production and packaging department, the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, and the Golgi apparatus. These two organelles play crucial roles in the life of a cell, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. The ER is a network of interconnected sacs and tubes that act like a factory floor. It is spread throughout the cell, providing a large surface area for various biochemical activities. There are two types, rough ER, which has ribosomes attached, and smooth ER, which does not. The rough ER appears bumpy due to the ribosomes, while the smooth ER has a more tubular appearance. The rough ER is responsible for making proteins, which are essential for various cellular functions. These proteins are synthesized by the ribosomes and then processed within the rough ER, while the smooth ER makes lipids or fats and detoxifies harmful substances. It plays a key role in lipid metabolism and the detoxification of drugs and poisons. Once the proteins and lipids are made, they need to be packaged and shipped to the right place. This transportation is crucial for maintaining cellular organization and function. That's where the Golgi apparatus comes in. It acts as the cell's central hub for sorting and dispatching these molecules. It's like the cell's post office, sorting, modifying, and packaging molecules into vesicles, or tiny sacs for delivery within or outside the cell. These vesicles ensure that the molecules reach their correct destinations, whether it's within the cell or to the cell membrane for export. Every city needs a waste management system, and the cell is no different. Lysosomes are the recycling centers of the cell. They contain powerful enzymes that break down waste materials, worn-out cell parts, and even ingested bacteria or viruses. Peroxisomes are another type of organelle involved in breaking down molecules. They are particularly important for detoxifying harmful substances, especially in the liver. Peroxisomes also break down fatty acids, which can be used for energy. Now imagine a city without roads, bridges, and buildings. It would be chaotic. There would be no structure, no organization, and everything would be in disarray. Just like a city needs its infrastructure to function smoothly, cells also require a framework to maintain their shape and ensure proper functioning. Similarly, cells need structure and support too. Without it, they would collapse and be unable to perform their essential functions. That's where the cytoskeleton comes in. It acts as the cell's skeleton, providing the necessary support and shape. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein fibers that provides shape and support to the cell. These fibers are dynamic and can reorganize as needed, allowing the cell to change shape and move. It also acts like a highway system, helping to transport materials within the cell. This transportation is crucial for the cell's survival and function, as it ensures that nutrients, organelles, and other essential components are delivered to where they are needed. Plant cells have an additional layer of support called the cell wall, which provides extra rigidity and protection. This cell wall is a rigid outer layer made of cellulose, a complex carbohydrate that gives the plant cell its strength. The cell wall provides protection and helps the plant maintain its shape. It also prevents the cell from bursting when water enters, ensuring the plant remains healthy and robust. Finally, centrioles are small, cylindrical organelles involved in cell division. They play a critical role in ensuring that the cell divides correctly. They help to organize microtubules, which are part of the cytoskeleton during cell reproduction. This organization is essential for the accurate distribution of chromosomes to the daughter cells, ensuring that each new cell has the correct genetic information.